We are still on net zero campuses, and we will repeat some of the points because we are going in details about how implementation actually happens or has to happen. So now if you just talk about sectors, we mentioned energy. So energy storage may be needed, microgrids on campus, renewables, energy efficiencies, reducing demand, and maybe installing wind and solar and biogas, etc. on campus to deal with energy demand and reducing emissions from energy. Plus transportation. It may be a commuter campus where lots of people are driving in, or there is a big campus where a lot of people are actually driving around on campus. So obviously people have to be encouraged to either electrify their transportation or take public transportation, shared commuting, or other ways, bicycle riding, whatever, when it's safe and so on. So transportation becomes a big game changer for reducing emissions on campuses as well. Then comes waste and reducing waste, recycling, upcycling. There are all kinds of words, but waste management on campuses is not trivial at all. If also there are lots of dorms and hostels where students are living on campus in substantial numbers, in which case there may also be food waste, energy waste, water waste, and so on that have to be taken care of. Then you have facilities. Facilities on campuses typically correspond to sports complexes, libraries, labs, student facilities like fraternities, clubs, etc. So student groups have to be engaged into net zero. So, for example, dorms can compete for reducing their energy use, emissions, water waste, food waste, etc. And then slowly the community around has to be engaged as well, because many campuses are situated in dense urban areas or in rural areas where they are importing a lot of food and other things, whereas you are surrounded by agricultural land and so on. So you are building facilities that demand water and energy that is often coming in and competing with people around. So you have to make sure that the community is also engaged in your net zero efforts, and so that you co-produce solutions where they also are co-beneficiaries of your net zero solutions, and in fact they also have to eventually become a part of